Driving into Lake Tekapo town is the most amazing thing, and to share it with my parents was so cool. So far, we've taken you on the road with us from Auckland to spend 2 nights in Wellington. We then jumped on a 3.5-hour ferry to cross the Cook Strait and saw some amazing views on the way to Christchurch, where we experienced a few of the tourist attractions. If you're new, I'm Chantal, this is Craig, and these are my parents, Pim and Dot. We hope you're ready to join us again as we set off on possibly the most scenic route we've ever driven. We left Christchurch about 45 minutes ago, and now we're in a town called Ashburton.
It reminds us of a place in South Africa, a farming town as well, but we've stopped for coffee at Robert Harris again because the coffee's really good here.
We have about a 5-hour drive ahead of us, and we'll take you along the way. So let's go. Let's hit the road.
Bye.
Our first hour and a half since we left Christchurch, the landscapes have been very flat, and we just turned off of State Highway 1 for the first time, and the turn off said Mount Cook. We can see mountains in the distance, and we're so excited for a change of scenery. Lake Tekapo, here we come. Okay. Almost. Here we come. We hit the mountains a few minutes ago, and the road has just been so scenic ever since then. And 5 kilometers ago we saw a sign saying there's a scenic lookout, and we just had to pull over. Welcome to Berks and Roady.
Wow, look at that.
We're about 10 k's away from Lake Tekapo, and the road has been absolutely incredible. We came like up that little hill and around the corner, and the view ahead of us is the Southern Alps, and it's amazing. There's snow on it. It is just incredible. The sky is blue. We just came from overcast weather, and it's so cool. Welcome to Lake Tekapo. Wow. Driving into Lake Tekapo town is the most amazing thing, and to share it with my parents was so cool. We were just like breathless, speechless. I don't know. So we drove to the Church of the Good Shepherd. Seeing it on other people's videos, I always thought it was in the middle of nowhere, but it's actually just in the town, and there's so many people. This is an Instagram versus reality situation, but it's still cool. We just took a walk down to the lake to see the blue water, but you've got to walk across this bed of a lot of rocks. So make sure you have good shoes on, or just be careful when you walk down there. But it's so worth it, it's so beautiful, and the sunny day is just making it. We drove a bit further and found a spot to have our picnic. Isn't this just amazing? Words cannot describe. We have seen so many videos with this place, but it just doesn't do it any justice. What's for lunch?
We have cheese and ham rolls, and our table is the bonnet. Even warmed it up for you. You can't come to Lake Tekapo without having a quick swim on your road trip, so I'm going to jump in and out. Be quick. That was fantastic. It's cold, but it's not really cold, so a good way to have a refreshing dip on a long road trip. Wow, I feel good now. Oh. We have pulled over at picnic spots and the views are incredible over the lake and Mount Cook in the background.
We quickly stopped at the Lake Pukaki Visitor Center where you can actually buy fresh salmon and eat it as sashimi. You get wasabi and soya sauce with it. The portions seem really big, and we also just had lunch, so we're gonna skip that, but wow, we have to come back and do that one day.
We have stopped at another lookout point on Lindis Pass. It is absolutely breathtaking. I think it's under snow during winter because there's places to put chains on your tires, so pretty cool. We've driven 327 kilometers. We left at 7:30, it's now 2:30.
Oh, you're taking so long.
7 hours, but we've been stopping a lot. We're taking our time, but I think we're going to push through now and probably get to the place. It's about an hour and a half to get there, so
That's
let's
what
go.
we said after the last stop. Welcome to Cromwell.
We are about 45 minutes outside Queenstown. We decided to pull over here amongst these cliffs. We're driving through this valley and we just saw the color of the water. It's like this green, blue, amazing. We took a little walk just to find a viewpoint. Incredible. And it's so hot, the sun is just baking down.
Just a few meters on, there's the Goldfields Mining Center, which is definitely a better stop because there's a bridge going over that beautiful turquoise water. Seriously now, this is it. We're gonna push through to Queenstown now. No more stops. Welcome to Frankton.
We have arrived and we are on half a tank of petrol. We've done 460 kilometers today. There was a lot of stops, so the trip took us a long time, but the views were incredible.
And we just arrived at our accommodation, so we'll show you what it looks like and a little tour of Queenstown in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye. It is still
We have pulled over at this.
louder.
We have,
Okay.
oh wait.
There.
Okay. We are about an hour,
No more stops?
almost done.
Oh, we'll see.
We are on our way to Fergburger. The line looks really long.
The famous Burger. The line is long.
Yep. This is beautiful.
I'm swimming in the bluest waters I've ever seen. In Queenstown! You don't come to Queenstown to swim.
Hey, how was your lead?
So cool, and we have 4 rides left.
Bye.